Namaste, welcome to my channel. Happy Navaratri. Today I am making a sweet dish. The sweet dish is Sweet Avalaki. The ingredients for Sweet Avalaki are 1 big ball of thin avalaki, half cup jaggery, half cup fresh grated coconut, 2 spoons of ghee, dry fruits like dry grapes, cashew, badam, elaichi powder and 2 cloves. First add the ghee. And switch on the stove. When the ghee heats up, add the clove. Now put the badam and stir. Then add the cashew and fry it. Now add the dry grapes and fry it well. Once it's fried, take it out in a plate and keep it aside. Then to the kadai, add the jaggery. Now add 2 spoons of water and let the jaggery melt. Once the jaggery is melted, add the coconut. Mix it well. Now add the cardamom powder, switch off the stove and let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, add the poha and mix it well. Once the avalaki is coated well, add the dry fruits and give it a nice stir. Now put the avalaki in the bowl and it's ready to serve. The sweet avalaki is ready. In some parts of India, they use this as prasadam for Navaratri Puja. Hope you all enjoy